fly out of Alaska now to space. They did say weather reports in that. I heard weather forecasting.
Nice. Well, speaking of weather forecasting, meteorologist Elizabeth Gardner, with all that sunshine out there, it sure is a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day. And of course, not a cloud in the sky. If we're going to see the clouds in the sky, of course, we see them via satellite, and the satellites get launched from those rockets too. So it is very important for us for sure. We take a look through downtown Raleigh. This is a look, of course, down Fayetteville Street as we take a look from the Jimmy V camera. 42 degrees is our current temperature. We'll likely stay in the 40s up until around 6 or 7. Once we hit sunset, the temperatures will start to drop, and about the same time, we're going to see that push of Arctic air coming on in. Right now, it is 37 in Roxborough, but 42 in Rocky Mount, 43 in Goldsboro, 41 in Southern Pines. So it's chilly. It definitely feels good to have a coat on if you're outside right now. And we'll climb into the mid-40s, 47 in Raleigh and Durham, and then 51 in Fayetteville. Lots of sunshine for the rest of the day. Not too much of a wind to deal with, but as we see that our front coming through, this is going to be our almost dry front. Some snow up around Ohio, but right here is this next boundary that's going to be coming through, dropping in that cold air, and it's still up to our north and west, but it is definitely on the way. So we do have that next round of Arctic air that does start to drop in on us, and we'll feel it first thing in the morning. It'll also kick up the wind a little bit, so we'll have a bit of a wind chill to deal with tomorrow. So this is a look at what it could feel like. 18 near the Virginia line, 22 in the Triangle, and in our southern counties, more like 26, where the wind chill is likely to be around 20. The wind chill will be closer to mid-teens in the Triangle, and some single digits possible tomorrow morning up near the Virginia line. As a matter of fact, we could see 9 in Roxborough potentially, 11 in Durham, 16 in Goldsboro, 17 in Southern Pines. So this is cold. We've had wind chills in the teens already this year. So, you know, are we getting used to it? I don't know. It's pretty cold. 22 officially for tomorrow morning at the bus stop, 22 on Thursday, and 29 on Friday. So you're going to need to make sure the kids are all bundled up. Everybody leaving your house needs to be bundled up. If you remember, last week we did have a cold weather advisory, and we may see that. It's possible that they would post that tomorrow. It looks like temperatures could be a little bit warmer on Thursday. So if we see it, it'll probably be tomorrow. There's also a cold weather warning where hypothermia and frostbite are more a thing. That's not likely to be what we'll see. It's just not going to be quite that cold, but you know, definitely some cold temperatures coming our way. Does it seem like it's been a cold January? It does, doesn't it? It's the coldest since 2018. Of course, we're only about halfway done with January, but we're on track to be the coldest since 2018. And the fourth coldest so far since 2000. The average temperature, and that includes the high and the low, 36 degrees so far for this month. So definitely cold out there. Here's the next thing that happens. All the cold air retreats back to the north, and Saturday and Sunday we have the potential for rain. Looks like more Saturday than Sunday, but I'll show you what it looks like so far for the timeline coming up.